Today I'm in a customer's 2018 Ford Raptor. This vehicle originally came with a 4-inch screen. We upgraded him to the 8-inch Sync 4 module that gives you wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, as well as the embedded navigation. The customer hasn't seen it yet, so let's see what he thinks.
My name is Sandy Showalter. It's a 2018 Raptor that I bought new almost 8 years ago. It's a kind of a rolling locker room for me and my two boys. We do a lot of traveling for soccer, Pop Warner football, fishing, and whatever we're going to be doing on the weekends outside. So it's very much just a truck. I heard about Infotainment actually through a friend of mine. It's my son's soccer team. We've known each other for years as our kids grew up, and his son and my son turned 16 about the same time, and his son had a infotainment system put in his truck here, and I saw it and I was like, man, that's exactly what I need for mine, and got a hold of Doug through Steven, and here we are. Most excited about wireless CarPlay. I mean, that's really what drove me to this. CarPlay was barely a thing when I bought this truck, and wireless CarPlay wasn't a thing at all. My wife's car has wireless CarPlay, and I just got to where I just can't almost live without it. So this upgrade for me is pretty much all about wireless CarPlay, and I'm super, super excited. I've had lousy luck with aftermarket solutions in the past, and I just think the fact that all factory parts are used here, it looks completely factory, everything functions factory. I just think that's a huge advantage compared to, taking it to a stereo shop and throwing something aftermarket in that you don't really know what you're getting. This is the ideal upgrade for me. When I leave here today, I'm just going to get to know this a little bit. I'm just really excited about all the things it can do. I'm going to go home, pick up my dog, and head to my office because I got some work to do.